A very good afternoon, evening, sorry, to everybody here. First of all, I would like to congratulate CKE for celebrating 55 anniversaries, and a big thank you for inviting us to be part of these memorable celebrations. I promise to keep my presentation short because I know that I'm standing in between your entertainments. And let me start with my presentation. So, CDD is a keyword today. The sustainable solutions for the airfield, so ground lightings. Please allow me to give a very, very brief introduction about TKH Group. We are part of, this company is founded in 1930 in Netherlands. We started off as a cable manufacturing, but over the years, we expand to other industry as well. It's a listed company in Netherlands since 1953, and also 1.8 billion turnover. So our mission is to innovate the best technologies in the world and in every industry towards the green technology. Part of the industry that we have is the smart visions, whereby we do the cameras, smart cameras, and also we are a combined software to have a certain level of intelligence inside the cameras. And we have a smart manufacturing, as you see. We are one of the major players, whereby in this industry, more than 50% of the world's tire manufacturing is actually using our machines. We also have the smart connectivities that doing the subsea cables. And that's where we come to one of the major parts today, the TKH Airport Solutions. We have our main HQ is in Netherlands, and we have another experience center that we invite all the stakeholders, airports owners, partners to visit our technology in Netherlands, Twindy Airport. The R&D that we have is in Netherlands, Germany, and our manufacturing plant is in Denmark. Since airfield lighting is kind of a niche market, please allow me to give a very, very brief introduction to this industry. So what we have is our new technology is mainly designed for the LED systems, whereby it's no longer using the cables, but by induction technology, which means that we don't use any connectors, any transformers, and any other equipment that what we have today in the major other airports. Since we are so trust in our technology that we give a 5 years warranty to all our products. And yeah, as what you can see, these two pictures summarize everything. The photo that you can see on your left is a typical airfield lighting setting ups that you can see there's a lot of equipment, cables, different type of systems over there. But what we do in TKH, we streamline whatever we need to a very basics with the lights and the cables. We have a very modular design. What we see on the left is a very typical design where you have a cables. And our CDD technology, we stand for the contactless energy and data distributions. We no longer use for any cable. We just use the cables to clip onto the light and to power it up to transfer the power and also the data into the lights for the bi-directional communications. Please allow me to show a short videos that summarize and also introduce, give you a better ideas of what the CDD technology is all about. How do we achieve sustainability in this new technology? As what you can see that it's no longer using the cables or the connectors that what we usually use for our airfield lighting systems. By doing that, the energy consumption can be reduced by the 70%. And also, with the technology that will have a fast response time, we are looking into reducing the operations time for the aircraft. First of all, is to follow the green. So follow the green in the short times, that rather than turn on everything on the airfields and the airports, so for the aircraft to move around. We only to open and turn on and operate the lights that within the where the aircraft goes and all the designated routes. So from what you can see that with this guidance and the very efficiency of communications and reduce equipments, we can reduce more than 50% of the taxiing time, which means that aircraft need way less time from the runway to the apron and from the apron back to the runway. And also this indirectly also reduce the fuel burns for the aircrafts. We also look at with the reductions of the fuel consumptions for this taxiing. We're also looking at the fuel reductions and also carbon emissions, which is very in line with the green technologies and also sustainabilities. As what you can see, we have summarize what we have. Since there's no connectors, right? The typical of 150 lights that we are at the 100% the brightness to operate the lights require way less power consumption. So for the traditional system, it's almost 9,000, and with the new technology, we're actually using less than 4,000. So it's almost like you're looking at more than 50% reductions in the power consumption. This one is just summarized that since we have a less and a very big simplified design, you have just the light and the cables. We are looking also to reduce all the civil works in constructing the taxiways, the new runways, whereby you no longer need so many manholes and also ductings in the airfield. That indirectly also directly reduce the cost. So thank you so much for your attention. So this is a very short presentation, and enjoy the rest of the night. Thank you. Bye.
ขอบคุณค่ะ Thank you ค่ะ Eugene